What's up with it, everybody? Welcome back. I hope y'all are having another good day. So out here today, I'm actually on my porch and I just finished a job for a customer. So if you didn't know, I detail on the side. Like when I have time, I do detailing, auto detailing, and then I just started getting into polishing wheels, aluminum wheels specifically. I've dabbled with my wheels, using the machine polisher and stuff like that, and I got to a point where I felt comfortable with myself being able to advertise myself. The reason why I made this video was because I'm sitting on the porch. It's hot as hell right now, alright? I'm sitting on the porch, man, and I just got done. The customer came pick their wheels up. They loved it. I'll put a picture up of before and after the wheels. They love the wheels and stuff, and I'm sitting here thinking about it. I'm like, I still got it. I still got the juice, you know what I'm saying? And this right here, it's 180 bucks I made in 3 hours. You know what I'm saying? I'm not showing this so I can flash and be boastful and stuff like that. The reason what I'm saying is how do I afford parts on my truck? Okay, you guys know me. I'm in the military. If you've been in for a good bit of time, you make good money, but you don't make great money. You know what I'm saying? Unless you've been in for a long time. You ain't pulling six figures and stuff like that. So what that means is you're limited to budgeting in terms of building the truck. You know what I'm saying? I like put it like this. I'm just like you guys, okay? I don't have an endless credit card or an endless bank account where I can just slap money on my truck back. I can't do that. That's just, I would be poor. My family wouldn't have food to eat. You know what I'm saying? And when I look back, I was sitting on the porch, man. I look back and I'm like, you know what? I stuck to my roots. I'm only 27 years old, and since I've been a kid, my dad raised me and my brothers. If you want something in life, you got to go get it. You got to work. Nothing's going to get handed to you in this world. And the minute you think that you rate something or somebody needs to give you something, that is the minute you are like, you're not a man, you're just another jokester. You know what I'm saying? So I made this video. I decided to make this video on the fly right now. And it's just basically how I afford parts of my truck, okay? So you guys know when I first started my build, I didn't have sponsors for nothing. I didn't have no sponsors. And I have sponsors now, but it's still not like buku sponsors, you know what I'm saying? I've been YouTubing for 2.5 years, going on 3 years, and this year was the first year I got my full paid 100% sponsorship part, you know what I'm saying? Up until then, a lot of my sponsorships were partial sponsorships where they would give me a discount in return for a video and stuff, so I'm still forking money out of my pocket. The Instagram scene and the social media scene has it set up where, like, if you have sponsors, you see all these people saying, oh, this is my sponsor, this is my sponsor. They think they just get free parts, but that's far from the scenario most of the time. And if you actually ask them, they'll probably tell you that too. So I hustle. I hustle on the side, and I mean a good hustle. I'm not talking about selling drugs and stuff, but I mean, like, I actually do things on the side. I want some money. Okay, what's a quick way I can make some money? Alright, I'm good at polishing wheels. I go out there and polish wheels. I just spent the last 3 hours in the sun in the backyard with long sleeve shirt on, 94 degrees out here, humid as hell in North Carolina, polishing some random dude's wheels because it's money, it's work. I wanted the money, you know what I'm saying? So I went out there and I put myself out there to where I can find some type of way to make money, you know what I'm saying? And I know I got some of y'all out there on my channel, y'all are 16, 17, 18 year olds, maybe 18 or 19 year olds and stuff like that, and you guys are trying to figure out how can I build me a truck like this, or how can I build a truck, my dream truck, you know what I'm saying? And what it comes down to at the end of the day, man, is just hustle. Just get out there and do it, man. If you got a job, a full-time job, and you ain't making enough money, man, pick up a part-time job, you know what I'm saying? Find something, whatever you are good at, sell yourself for that, you know what I'm saying? And in return for that also, don't undersell yourself, okay? Do not undersell yourself for cheap customers, okay? I tell people like this all the time. I'd rather do one car detail where it's a full 6-7 hour detail for $300-400 than to wash 5-6 cars in a day, make the same amount of money. Why? Because one, I'm only doing it on one car instead of doing it on a bunch of cars, so I'm not using as much product. And two, that one customer that's willing to pay what I'm asking for my services because I know what I'm worth, they're going to come back. They're going to be happy. They're going to be satisfied. You know what I'm saying? Versus the cheap customers who just want a quick dollar, or they just want to save a quick dollar. And you know what I'm saying, don't undersell yourself. You know, get your value, know your value worth. You know what I'm saying. So for me, my thing is well, what is my time worth, Cameron? And I asked myself that, and I said, okay, I polished 4 wheels, $180, 3 hours. So 180, let's just round and say 200 because $20 less. 200 divided by 3. I'm not gonna do the math because I don't do math in public, but I'm assuming that's around, let's see, what, $115, $110 an hour, or well, sorry, scratch that. We're not gonna do that. But you get the picture. You get what I'm saying, right? $200 in 3 hours is good money. You know, side money, good side money. You know, and if you're making a business out of it, that's still actually pretty good. You know, because most people work 10-hour, 12-hour days, do-it-yourselfers. So, you know, go out there and get some, man. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to work. You know, all your boys and friends and stuff like that, they all out there, you know, drinking and doing all sorts of stuff like that. But you out there grinding and hustling. You know what I'm saying? A story for anybody out there, you know, my young cats. When I was 16, I've been working since I was like 12. Like, when I say working, meaning doing things to make money, whether it's cutting grass, landscaping, working at retail stores, security, whatever. I've been working since I was 12. So when I was 16, I got my driver license and I wanted a car. My parents couldn't afford to buy me a car, nor I'm pretty sure they didn't want to. But my parents couldn't afford to just be like, hey son, let's go get you a car, you just turned 16. No, hell no, that's not how my family was. I told my family, my dad, I was like, Dad, I want a car. I'm gonna go work this summer. You know, it was my sophomore summer going into my junior year of high school, and I said I'm gonna go cut grass. You know, and I missed one off season of football conditioning because I wanted a car that bad. So I went and I cut grass with this guy that had a landscaping business all summer, saved my money. I bought my first car. It was a 91 Cadillac, or a 1990 Cadillac DeVille baby blue. I paid $800 for it. I thought it was the best thing in the world since sliced bread, you know what I'm saying? But I wanted it. I was hungry, you know what I'm saying? And looking back, I was 16, now I'm 27, 11 years later, I still have that tenacious, get it done attitude, you know what I'm saying? All my friends during that summer were, you know, bull crapping, smoking, drinking, whatever. They were doing dumb stuff. But that wasn't me. I wanted something. I wanted a car, you know what I'm saying? And I tell you what, if you in high school and your boy ain't got no car and you got a car and you got all the girls around school looking around, you know what I'm saying, right? They're going to look at you because they're going to be like, oh damn, this dude got a car. He's 16 but he got a car, so he must be doing something right. You see how that works? So for you young cats out there, you know, it all adds up, man. But yeah, that's all I wanted to make this video for you guys. It's just I wanted to explain, like, how do I afford my truck parts. And the long story is, between work, like my actual job in the Marine Corps, side jobs, and companies willing to work with me, I'm able to do it. You know what I'm saying? Starting off initially, it was all it was on me, like straight up, like I would save money. Straight up, I would save money. You know what I'm saying? There's not a whole lot of stuff on this truck sponsored. There are things on there sponsored. Like people, you know, you see my wheels, you're like, oh, that must be sponsored. Hell no, I paid full, not full price, but they were on sale. I paid retail for those wheels and tires. You know what I'm saying? So take it for what it's worth, man. Hopefully this video helps somebody out. At the end of the day, man, remember, if you want it, go get it. Don't be afraid to work. Don't be afraid of money, and don't be afraid to not undersell yourself. That's the biggest thing I see happen, especially with the young ones, because y'all want the money so badly, and you're trying to do anything you can do to satisfy a customer. But at the end of the day, you got to understand that some customers are just going to be cheap, and they're not going to care about you. They're going to care about themselves, and they don't understand you pay for what you get. You know what I'm saying? So keep that in mind. But other than that, you guys, I hope y'all had a good day. I hope you had a good weekend. You guys liked the last video with the battery alternator stuff. It turns out that I guess Walmart batteries, I thought it was just me, but everybody loves Walmart batteries. So Walmart batteries, bueno. Red Top Optimus, it sucks, alright? So until next time, you guys, y'all take it easy, be safe, peace out, have a good week. I'll see you guys soon, and y'all stay blessed.